Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy after all the love I got about these head wraps on my blog. I'm going to show you how I created these simple looks, and I'm going to start by prepping my braids. First off, I'm going to use the Dark and Lovely Anti-Itch Scalp Soother, which is very good for my scalp, and I'm going to massage that in. Then I'm going to proceed with the Dark and Lovely Wash Free Braid Refresher, which keeps my braids very fresh looking and has a very good scent. Then I'm going to neaten my edges using the Cream of Nature Perfect Edges. Well, now we are ready and let's create the look. So for this first style, I'm going to section the front part and tie the rest just to make my work easier. Then I'm going to fold this head wrap, and I'm going to make sure that the edges stay inside as I fold like that. And then I'm going to wrap it from the back going up. Just going to tie a simple knot, then I'm going to proceed to neaten each side and tuck it in on the opposite side. Just make sure that you neaten the sides and neatly tuck it in for a cute look. This is absolutely my favorite because it's easy and it's super cute. Second off, I'm going to go with a look I like to call the crown. Yes, I actually love the series The Crown. I'm going to fold my head wrap severally before I can proceed to actually tie it around my head like the way you'd place a crown, and then I'm going to just tie a knot and neatly tuck it in. This is simple, very simple, right, and really cute. So another option for this look is that you can roll your head wrap after folding it so that you can make it very slim for yourself, and do the same thing, repeat the same thing where you just tie it and you tuck it in. Next off, I'm going to go with the most common method, especially when you have open hair, where I just fold one side of my head wrap so that I can have a neater finish. Then I'm going to place it at the back of my hair before proceeding to tie a knot on the front part. Make sure that you fold in a way that you have the fabric covering up all of your hair at the middle. I'm just going to tie in another knot before proceeding to tuck in the ends. Another option for this is that you can roll up the ends and tuck them in. So for the final look, make sure you start off with tying your hair into a bun, and you can check how I do that in my video on how to style your braids. Then you're going to fold your scarf with the back part being wider than the front. Once you fold it, just tie a knot at the front, then tuck in the ends. This is super cute, this is super easy, just adds a bit of color and oomph to your look. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment on which was your favorite look, and also remember to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Lots of love and see you in the next one.